Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. We are doing our end of February reads. I'm only done with Scorpio and Cancer so far. This is gonna be for our Pisceans. Let's see how this month is gonna end for our Pisceans. Also, a very happy birthday to my fellow Pisceans. I'm also a Piscean, so a very, very, very happy birthday to all those who have their birthdays in this month, February. So let's see how your recent past has been, Pisces. Then we'll look at your current situations and then the immediate future. Let's see how it's gonna be for our Pisceans. Recent past. Okay. Wow. Wow. Also, we have the star underneath the deck. The best card in the tarot read, in any of the tarot decks. It's okay. So underneath the star, we have the Ten of Pentacles, divine intervention in whatever you are doing, Pisceans. Be it Pentacles, be it your love life. For most of you, I do see it's in terms of your love life. In the recent past, I don't see things have been very um I would say things have been quite shaky for you. The situations haven't been very stable because we do start with the Tower here, then the Ten of Swords and the Page of Cups. So some kind of a tower moment came in your life, like some incidents happened like all of a sudden, and it changed your whole perspective. It made you stronger, and it made you realize who you have to go towards, or maybe who's the person for you. Maybe you realized a lot of things because of this tower moment, and also you ended some kind of a situation with the Ten of Swords. Here it is, an ending of this particular situation, um or maybe a past relationship or something. You just ended that relationship, but again there's some kind of news that you got. Maybe you got some kind of good news from someone in terms of love. I do see it's in terms of love. So maybe you have finally realized who this who the person is for you. Because I do feel that you were juggling before. There's a lot of energy here of juggling between two people, between two situations. So that juggling I do see has ended. In the current situation, you have the Hangman, the Two of Wands, and the Page of Wands, which means you are getting stronger. You are still trying to hold yourself very strongly, and you just have one goal in your mind, and you're just looking towards that particular goal, and you're not even blinking your eyes. You are just looking very straight towards that particular person or towards that certain goal in your life. You're not shaking at all, and I do see that it's in terms of some relationship, your love life or something, because you are actually looking towards this particular person, the King of Cups, the person who is for you. And also you're very stable. In the immediate future, this energy of stability in you, this energy of very strongly holding your cup of love and just waiting for that particular person to enter your life. Then we have the Two of Pentacles. Again, I said, like, you were juggling between two situations. You ended that situation in the recent past, but maybe that energy is somewhat coming back again. And that's kind of making you juggle. But I don't think that you will be juggling way too much about it. It's just that you have your eyes on something, the other thing just is coming in to distract you. I don't think you're gonna get distracted, but we still have the Wheel of Fortune in the end. So I'll just clarify the Wheel of Fortune because that's the last card that we had. It's the completion of a particular cycle. That's what I feel here. Yeah, the Sun card. See, you did not get distracted by whatever came across. So the Wheel of Fortune, it's marriage, it's happiness, it's bright prospects for you. Running away from a certain situation, yes. Running away from a particular love life situation, again a yes. Causing some kind of frustration, some kind of tears, but eventually it's gonna end up well for you, because I don't feel that you will shake up, because the overall, at least not in the month of February. What happens after that, we'll check in the March monthly read, but at least in the month of February, I don't see you shaking up at all. But maybe while you're going towards, and this energy also in the immediate future that we are getting could be because of this whole full moon that's coming up in Virgo on the 27th. So during the full moon, you could be having some kind of this energy of shaking, things are shaking up, but you have your eyes on the goal, on what you have to achieve, which person needs to come in your life. So it's all good. You have the overall energy of the read is actually celebration. So maybe you're celebrating your birthday, or maybe you're getting some kind of a very important news, a very important letter, which is actually victorious for you, which is a very joyful moment. So the overall energy of the read is just celebrations all over the place. With this card here, the Six of Wands, and underneath the deck, as I said, we had the Star card, which is again marriage. So we have this marriage card 3 times here for you, and divine is intervening into this whole situation. You're going to be financially very abundant. You'll have a lot of opportunities coming your way. You'll have a lot of opportunities in terms of your job, career, business, whatever you're doing. A lot of opportunities are coming your way. Might be joining in hands with somebody in collaboration or something, but it is an amazing birthday month for you, Pisceans. So all those who have their birthdays in the month of February, again a very happy birthday for you. And this month is gonna be amazing. And don't shake up your energies too much. We know full moon's coming, so you should just get used to it, by now. Okay, so that was your read, Pisceans, and let me know in the comment section if it resonated with you, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all in the next read.